Hi guys, it's Robin, the Lady Biker. It is a cold and soon to be wet day here on the central coast of California, so I thought I'd take today to sit down and just talk a little bit about the importance of practicing, especially your slow speed maneuvers. Now we're all still in the middle of the social distancing and the stay-at-home guidelines, but one of the first things I'm looking forward to whenever they are lifted is to get out and ride and spend time with others that ride. However, to do so, we have to have a skill set that keeps us safe. And learning them in the Rider's Basic course and then going off and, oh, well, I've got all I need to do, or, oh, I've been riding on the highways for 20 years. Those are all good. However, especially your slow speed maneuvers, your U-turns, your quick stops in an emergency, your being able to weave away or around debris in the road or from issues in a parking lot. These are skill sets that if we don't practice them, we lose them. So when I started out on a Harley-Davidson 500 Trainer. It's the bike that they use on the training courses at the HD Riding Academy. And I get on it and it was so scary, even though those trainers have special guards so that even if you fall, it's not going to hurt you. It's still so terrifying to start out with those slow turns and realizing that you really can do it. But it takes practice. There was this fear that I would be unable to keep the bike up. And the fear is what held me back. If you watch the video prior to this, you'll understand I didn't pass my first time through my basic riding course because I had that fear. And that fear prevented me from doing what I can do on these bikes, and you can too. So I get on that training bike. I finally practicing it confident to where I'm able to do the maneuvers that I needed to do. And to handle that bike confidently, effectively, and safely. So then I bought my first bike. This is my boy here. His name is Bob. He's a 2002 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. And I get on him and the same thing happened. I was so scared that I wasn't going to be able to hold him up. He was a considerably bigger bike than the HD 500. And learning that I can balance him, I can turn, it took time. It was that fear, and that fear prevented me from doing a lot of things. And quite honestly, from becoming a better rider, it was the fear that held me back. And then I came across a company called Motorcycle Drop Guards. And they are based out of the Houston area. And they have these guards that go on that protect your bike, your engine guard and the other parts, so that if it takes the fear out of trying these things and practicing and riding. So that's where the challenge comes from, is to get past the fear. And for me, this product, the Motorcycle Drop Guards, which I'll show you here in a moment, really took the fear out of riding and practicing. Because I know if I drop my bike, I'm not going to damage it. I'm not going to have these expensive repairs to replace parts. So, forward to just a few weeks ago, actually about a month ago now, I bought my girl Scarlett here. She's a Harley-Davidson Road King. Love her, but she's a big step up from my Fat Boy. There again, the fear of dropping this large bike was immediately there. So I get onto the website and I ordered a set of drop guards. All right, guys, so the Motorcycle Drop Guards. I got mine in black, but they also recently came out with a polished stainless steel that is absolutely stunning. But one set goes here on the very front engine guard. Then you have another one that goes down here, up under the primary. And then finally another set that goes on the back guards. Now, I am still learning. I am now where I can get my girl Scarlett to where I can turn almost in the width of a 2-lane road. I'm not quite there, but I'm getting close. Let me show you. But I want to get better. I want to be able to do the really tight U-turns and to be able to do those tight weaves with a controlled bike, because we do find ourselves in situations, especially at rallies and different things, where these skills are important, and the more we practice them before we get there, the better off we're going to be, and the more confident and the safer we're going to be, not only for ourselves but those around us. Let me show you a friend from Houston and her skill level that I'm still working towards. So check out down in the description below for a link to motorcycle drop guards. Whether you've been riding 1 week, 1 year, or 20 years, it doesn't matter. Taking the fear out of being able to do things is what allows us to step forward. Sometimes it's a mindset, sometimes it's just finding a new tool. For me, this tool works, and I really could not recommend it more. So, when you can get out and ride, guys, get out and practice. Enjoy it. Push yourselves. Learn something new. And in the meantime, ride safe, have fun, and see you soon.